The National Visa Center, NVC, helps you prepare your visa application for interviews for particular visa categories at U.S. embassies and consulates when your petition is authorized. The processing time at the National Visa Center, NVC, varies depending on several factors, including the type of visa and the volume of applications. Generally, document review at the NVC typically takes around 7 days. Creating a case can take about 5 days, and the NVC usually responds to inquiries within 3 days. In this video, we're going to talk about, for those who don't know, how is your immigrant petition processed at NVC, and what are the processing timelines as of December 19, 2023 at the National Visa Center. If you are interested in learning more about this topic, stay tuned until the end of this video.
Visit our Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you out with your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel.
So, without any further delay, let's get into the video and find out what the latest updates are on NVC visa processing. You might already know that your immigrant visa petition, I-130 or I-140, must be approved by USCIS before your case can proceed to the National Visa Center. After the USCIS approves your immigrant visa petition, your case will be transferred to the Department of State's National Visa Center, NVC, for pre-processing. Now, you must be wondering what happens next. So, once the NVC receives your immigrant petition, and if your priority date meets the most recent cutoff date or is likely to become current soon, the NVC will send you a welcome letter. 1. Invoice you for your visa application fees. 2. Collect your visa application and supporting documentation. 3. Hold your visa petition until an interview can be scheduled with a consular officer at a U.S. embassy or consulate. However, if your priority date falls after the most recent cutoff date, the NVC will notify you and hold your petition until your priority date meets the most recent cutoff date or is likely to become current soon. As your priority date gets closer to the cutoff date, NVC will contact you to start processing. The Department of State updates the cutoff dates, final action dates, or dates of filing on a monthly basis in the Visa Bulletin. So NVC's first step in this process is the creation of your case in their system. As previously stated, once the case is created, based on the priority cutoff dates, the NVC will send you a welcome letter via email or regular mail. With the information in the welcome letter, you can log in to the Consular Electronic Application Center, CEAC, to check the status, receive messages, and manage your case. Once you have submitted your fees, forms, and supporting documents to NVC, they will review your case to ensure you have provided all of the documentation needed to schedule your immigrant visa interview. The interviews are scheduled based on the availability of appointments offered at the embassy or consulate. Now let's find out which case at the National Visa Center is currently being created or reviewed as of this week. Step 1. Case file creation time. Current case creation time frame. As of 19 December 2023, we are working on cases that were received from USCIS on 13 Dec 2023. Once NVC has created your visa case by entering the data from your petition into the system, it will send you instructions for processing as well as a welcome letter that includes your case number and invoice ID. You should keep your welcome letter in a safe place, as you will need this information to log into CEAC throughout the entire visa process. Now let's check the timelines for Step 2, Current Case Review Time. As of December 19, 2023, NVC is reviewing documents submitted to them on December 11, 2023. To reiterate, you must pay all fees and submit all required documents, including the petitioner's affidavit of support, supporting financial documents, the applicant's DS-260, and the applicant's civil documents before the National Visa Center will review your case. Please note that the required documents vary based on the type of petition. If you are waiting to know the status of your case, you might consider sending an inquiry to NVC. As of December 18, 2023, NVC is responding to inquiries received on December 15, 2023. This information is updated every week, and NVC urges applicants to make a subsequent inquiry only if they do not receive a response to the emails within the published time frame above, because duplicate inquiries slow their ability to respond to you in a timely manner. NVC also mentioned that Immigration and Nationality Act, INA, Section 203 UG, provides that the Secretary of State shall terminate the registration, petition, of any alien who fails to apply for an immigrant visa within 1 year of notice of visa availability. The petition may be reinstated if, within 2 years of notice of visa availability, the alien establishes that the failure to apply was for reasons beyond the alien's control. Therefore, if you do not respond to notices from the NVC within 1 year, you risk termination of your petition under this section of law and would lose the benefits of that petition, such as your priority date. Now let's look at the National Visa Center's NVC Immigrant Visa Backlog Report as of November 2023. The Department of State has had a very difficult time processing immigrant visa requests since the COVID-19 pandemic began in March 2020. U.S. embassies and consulates are working to resume routine visa services on a location-by-location basis as expeditiously as possible in a safe manner. However, the pandemic continues to severely impact the number of visas our embassies and consulates abroad are able to process. As of October 31st, there were 362 NVC applicants whose cases were documentarily complete at NVC and ready for interview. The number of documentarily complete IV applicants scheduled for November 2023 interview appointments is 41,812. The number of eligible IV applicants still pending the scheduling of an interview after November 2023 appointment scheduling was completed is 311,550.
I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!